Hello friends, welcome to Smart Shiksha. Today we are going to discuss about OSSC GK Mock 2. इस वीडियो में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ओडिशा का आर्ट, कल्चर एंड लिटरेचर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट कैपिटल करेंसी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which of the following is a traditional painting of Odisha? Which of the following is a traditional painting of Odisha? Answer is option 2, Patachitra. Patachitra is the traditional painting of Odisha. Valli, Maharashtra. Sanji, Uttar Pradesh, UP. Madhubani, Bihar. Madhubani, Bihar. Sanji, UP. Patachitra, Odisha. Valli, Maharashtra. पॉपुलर ट्रेडिशनल पेंटिंग, ये सब पेंटिंग का नेम है. वाली, पट्टचित्र, सांझी, मधुवाणी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग पाइक? व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग पाइक? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1. इट इज ए मैरिटल फोल्क डांस परफॉर्म्ड इन द साउदर्न पार्ट ऑफ ओडिशा. It is a marital folk dance performed in the southern parts of Odisha. This question is in the part 1. Part 1. Next question. Which of the following temple is known as Black Pagoda? Which of the following temple is known as Black Pagoda? Answer is option number 4, Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is known as Black Pagoda. यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट के अंदर 1984 को एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट के अंदर, यूनेस्को के अंदर सन टेम्पल, कोणार्क सन टेम्पल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द पॉपुलर फोल्क थिएटर रिलेटेड टू ओडिशा? Which of the following is the popular folk theatre related to Odisha? Answer is option number 3, Daskathia. Daskathia popular folk theatre related to Odisha. करियाला, ये हिमाचल प्रदेश का है. हिमाचल प्रदेश का करियाला. गोरदास गुजरात. भवाई राजस्थान एंड गुजरात. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Osakoti is a warning dying from mural painting from the state of. Osakoti is a warning or dying from a mural painting from the state of. Osakoti belongs to option 2, Odisha. Osakoti belongs to Odisha. Sambalpur. Next question. He was the first scholar who wrote his works in Odia in the 15th century AD. Best known for 3 Odia books, Mahabharata, Bilanka Ramayana and Chandi Purana. He started writing his Mahabharata in the region of Kapileshwara, otherwise known as Kapilendra, the famous Gajapati king of Odisha. He was. कौन ओडिया महाभारत लिखे है? ओडिया महाभारत सारला दास. आंसर इज सारला दास wrote चंडी पुराण, बिलंका रामायण एंड महाभारत इन ओडिया ड्यूरिंग कपिलेंद्र देव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अवार्ड इज गिवन बाय ओडिशा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट? व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अवार्ड इज गिवन बाय ओडिशा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट? Answer is option 1, Konark Samman. Option 1, Konark Samman is given by Odisha state government. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct with reference to Konark Sun Temple, Odisha? Which of the following statement is not correct with reference to Konark Sun Temple, Odisha? Answer is option number 3. It was built by Narasimha Dev 1. ये क्वेश्चन भी पार्ट 1 में था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेम्पल ऑफ ओडिशा हैज हिस्टोरिकली बीन एसोसिएटेड विथ a sweet selection general awareness called Rasgulla, which also helped Odisha win GI tag for the sweet? Which of the following temples of Odisha has historically been associated with a sweet section general awareness called Rasgulla, which also helped Odisha win GI tag for the sweet? Answer is option number 3, Puri Jagannath Temple, Rasgulla. GI tag Odisha, Rasgulla. Next question, which of the following dance narrates the story of Shiva with the social harmony and brotherhood and is one of the oldest dance of Indian performed in Odisha? Which of the following dance narrates the story of Shiva with social harmony and brotherhood is one of the oldest dance of India performed in Odisha? Answer is Danda Jatra. Danda Jatra is one of the oldest dance of Odisha. Next question, who consider the following statement about temple architecture in Odisha? The Madhapas are called Jagan Mohana. Second, the Shikhara is known as Vimana, which rises sharply vertically. Third, unlikely other Nagara style temple, Odisha temple usually have boundary walls. Which of above statements are correct? The Madhapas are called Jagan Mohana. Option 1 right. Shikhara is known as Vimana. Vimana wrong. Deul. Shikhar is known as Deul. Unlikely the other Nagara style temple usually have boundary walls. Odisha temple have boundary walls. So option 1 and 3 is the right answer. 1 and 3 is the right answer. Deul. No, the Shikhar is known as Deul. Next question. Dhenka is a well-known musical instrument of one of the following Indian state. Dhenka is a well-known musical instrument of which one of the following Indian state? Answer is option 2, Odisha. Odisha, Kavi Surya Baladev Ratha. Kavi Surya Baladev Ratha uses Dhenka, Veena, Sanju. Next question, which temple is still depicted by Odissi dancer? Which temple is still depicted by Odissi dancer? Answer is option number A, Jagannath Temple Puri, depicted by Odissi dancer. Depicted by Odissi dancer. Next question, in the context of Chhau dance marked by UNESCO, which of the following is not a style of Chhau dance? Which of the following is not a style of Chhau dance? Answer is option 3, Kutch Chhau is a not style of Chhau dance. ये तीनों यूनेस्को के अंदर स्थान है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, with reference to Pattachitra art, consider the following statement. Cotton cloth is coated with white stone powder and gum are used as canvas. Option 1 is wrong. Used as natural color. Natural color. Sorry. Not canvas, natural color. So option 1 is wrong. Artist exits the use of color of various tones while making the painting. Option 2 is right. So option 2, only 2 is the right answer. Artist exercised the use of color. Lord Krishna uses blue color in this context. Next question, Which of the following country has Madrid as its capital? Which of the following country has Madrid as its capital? Answer is option number 4, Spain, Madrid. Malta, Valletta. Greenland, North. Poland, Warsaw. Poland, Warsaw. Greenland, North. Malta, Valletta. Spain, Madrid, capital. Next question. Who is known as architect of Green Revolution in India? Who is known as architect of Green Revolution in India? Answer is Dr. Swaminathan. Dr. Swaminathan is known as father of Green Revolution. Dr. Curan, White Revolution. Next question. Which day is celebrated as the Indian Navy Day every year? Which day is celebrated as the Indian Navy Day every year? Answer is 4th December. 4th December is celebrated as Indian Navy Day. First time it was celebrated on 26th December 1950. First time it was celebrated. Indian Navy Day was celebrated on 26th December 1950. Headquarter Delhi. Next question. Kavaratti is the capital of which of the following union territories? Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar Island, capital Port Blair. Port Blair. Next question. In which state is the famous temple Tirupati Balaji Mandir is situated? In which state is the famous temple Tirupati Balaji Mandir situated? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati Balaji Mandir situated. Next question. The author of world famous Harry Potter series is? The author of world famous Harry Potter series is? Answer is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter series. Next question. Yuan is the currency of which country? Yuan is the currency of which country? Answer is option B, China. Capital Beijing. Indonesia. Indonesian rupiah. Indonesian rupiah currency. Indonesian rupiah. Nepalese rupee. Nepalese rupee, Nepal currency. Japan, yen. Capital Tokyo. Next question. Who gave the title Father of Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? Who gave the title Father of Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the title of Mahatma Gandhi, Father of Nation. Father of Nation title given by Subhash Chandra Bose to Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Ozone Divas is celebrated on? Ozone Divas is celebrated on? Answer is September 16th. Ozone Divas is celebrated on September 16th. Next question. When is the World Earth Day celebrated? When is the World Earth Day celebrated? World Earth Day is celebrated on April 22. 22 April celebrated World Earth Day. Next question. The book Mein Kampf was written by? The book Mein Kampf was written by? Answer is Hitler. Hitler written Mein Kampf. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of Indian nuclear program? Who is regarded as the father of Indian nuclear program? Answer is Dr. Homi Bhabha. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, father of Indian nuclear program. Next question. Statue of Unity is located in which state? Statue of Unity is located in which state? Answer is Gujarat. Statue of Unity is located in Gujarat. Next question. Who is the author of the book My Country, My Life? Who is the author of book My Country, My Life? Answer is Lal Krishna Advani. L.K. Advani is the right answer. My Country, My Life. Author of My Country, My Life. Lal Krishna Advani. Next question. Johannesburg is known as. Answer is gold capital of world. Gold capital of the world. Johannesburg is known as gold capital of the world. Thank you. Please do share with your family and friends. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.